Good morning friends to JCE Connect. Today's module is 5th module I am starting. Myself Dr. Anand Kevasmani, Jain College of Engineering, Belagavi. We will see the outline of the presentation, introduction, definition, components in SIM, advantage of SIM, disadvantage of SIM. First we will see introduction. SIM means Computer Integrated Manufacturing is the integration of CAD and CAM technique into one complete process. CAD means computer aided design, CAM means computer aided manufacturing. It is the way of thinking and solving the problems. It is the use of integrated system and data communications coupled with new managerial philosophies. SIM is not a product that can be purchased and installed. Next we will see the definition of SIM. SIM is integration of total manufacturing enterprises through the use of integrated system and data collections coupled with the new managerial philosophies that improve organizational and personal efficiency. SIM, that is Computer Integrated Manufacturing, is the manufacturing approach of using computers to control the entire production process. It is the way of thinking and solving the problems. Next we will see the components in SIM. In components of SIM we have, that is design of CAD, design of computer aided design we are going to have, and we are going to have manufacturing control CAM. CAM means computer aided manufacturing. We have business functions. We are going to have manufacturing plan of computer aided manufacturing. First we will see in design of computer aided design what all things we are going to have, that is geometric modeling, finite element analysis and automated drafting. That is in the design part we are going to study. First we are going to design, that is a prototype before making a product. For that we need all three things. Next we will see in that is manufacturing planning of computer aided manufacturing, that is part programming, process planning, material resource planning, how much it is required for the manufacturing of the product. Next we will see, that is manufacturing control of computer aided manufacturing, how we can control the manufacturing. Okay, that is on shop floor control we are going to control, inspection we are going to do, and quality control, process monitoring, this we are going to do in manufacturing control. Next we will see the business function. What are the business function? What is the order entry, accounting, payroll and customer billing. These are the main components of computer integrated manufacturing. Next we will see the advantage of computer integrated manufacturing. First advantage is, that is faster rate of production drawing with the help of computer integrated manufacturing, greater accuracy of drawing. Next we have shorter lead time due to, that is by using computer aided manufacturing, that is automations, then we have the less lead times. Improved work standards are improved in this case. Computer aided inspection and quality control, with the use of computer we are going to do the inspection of quality by using many quality tools as we have discussed in TQM. Decrease the cost of production and maintenance. Design components for machines. These are the advantage of computer integrated manufacturing. Next we will see disadvantage of computer integrated manufacturing, that we are going to have high maintenance cost and expensive implementation, perceived risk is high, requires major challenges in corporate culture, unfamiliar technologies used, reduction in short term profit. These are the disadvantage of SIM. Thank you friends.